Hey everyone, so today I'm going to be working on a, what the hell, there's a tie right here, a nail. A 2000 Camry rear wheel bearing on the passenger side. As you can see, it grumbles. Not only that, but you know when it's bad as with the sound or when you shake it, it actually shakes from top to side. As you can see, it shakes on all angles. So what we're gonna do is remove this and replace it with a new wheel bearing. It's gonna be, hopefully it's something easy to do. All right, second thing is insert a screw. It's my 12 mil, and just luckily there's no lip wear on the drum brakes, so I was able to push it out until it comes out. There you go. So just to verify that it's really your wheel bearing, as you can see, and it's moving too. Alright. So you don't need to remove the brake pads because that's pretty thick still, you know? You barely use the paddings. That's about what, 20% right there? 30%? Who cares? Just leave it as is. And then the screws, you can reach it from here. And then right there. Wait, there it is. And the other one is gonna be some right there. And then the fourth one is right over there. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and remove the bolts. Remove it with a 14. And on the other side. I guess these two holes right here are made for this, so you can rotate around it. There you go. There it is. A bad bearing, as you can hear it. It's blown right there. And then we're gonna put the new one in. You can actually hear the balls inside. Alright, stop it. So guys, don't forget, it comes with a little gasket right here. So just go ahead and remove the old one. And then your new one should come with a new gasket. It's like this. And then just put it back on. And don't forget to clean up the old. Or you could just leave it. I don't think it's gonna make any difference. Clean or dirty. There you go. Alright. Put the new one in. Straightforward. There you go. Look at how smooth that is though. See what I'm saying? No sound. Straightforward. This is a 14 millimeter, by the way. Just gonna do a hand tight. Get the rest. I'll be happy. Make sure you tell him it's from you. You know what I mean? That's what he likes to do. Alright, and then we're gonna properly torque it. We're gonna find out how much torque, but I'm gonna do a crisscross pattern tightening on this. found that. I don't know the torque spec at the moment, but I will find out the torque spec. And that's about it, guys. That's how you remove a rear wheel bearing for a 2000 Camry. I'm sure it applies to other models, year. So this is the one without ABS. I guess that's it. And put everything back. Clean up your brake system with a cleaner because it's really dusty, and kind of adjust it that way because it's kind of loose. All right, guys, that's about it. Thanks for watching, and until next time, put everything back. It's reverse order. Thanks for watching, and God bless. Sub if you can. Thank you.